Hi, this is Luke from inaudible.Pro. Today we have a 2014 Subaru WRX, stock number 6669. This ran from the 3rd 2014 to the 10th 2021, and it has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 2 dents, right front door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right hand door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,